This is called segmented wood art. And what it entails is a woodworker gluing together several different types of wood all together in a large block and then turning it on a lathe. So you've got everything from some maple, some Paducah wood, which is from, I believe it's from Asia. You've got some spalted maple, some white oak, some dark oak, and then you've got some nice maple. So this is turned on a lathe until it's carved into the shape of any sort of decorative form. So you see a lot of vases, you see a lot of boxes that are made this way, but I've never seen a tray like this. It's not particularly old, but what makes it really special is that the maker added a pewter maker's mark on the very bottom, which is really extraordinary because most of these pieces are not signed. So the little bit of damage that's on the base means nothing to me. If you were to count the types of wood that were glued in together, it took a lot of planning to create the geometric form that you see here. So something like this might take 2 or 3 weeks just to set, maybe a week just to set the wood up, and then maybe even longer to sketch out and plan the geometric form, and then at least a week to turn it on the lathe and polish it at different types of sandpaper, and then eventually to steel wool, and then give it a coat of polyurethane that would bring out the color of the wood. So you're probably looking at maybe 4 to 5 weeks of woodworking.
Wow.
That would go into one single piece.
Wow. That's incredible.
All by hand, yep.
Yeah.
100% folk art and craftsmanship.